Hello guys, Adul here and welcome to another video. Today I will be discussing about some techniques to get blurry smooth backgrounds to your images every time. So let's get into it. The primary thing we need to consider to get a blurry background is aperture. The lower the aperture value, the higher the background blur will be. For example, for apertures like 1.4, 1.8 and 2.8 etc., the background blur will be more. These low aperture lenses allows more light to enter the camera and give blurry background. Since they are low aperture lenses, they are more expensive also. Even though we have some affordable options of low aperture lenses like the 50mm 1.8 from different brands like Canon, Nikon and Sony. Here are some of the images showing the difference in aperture values and amount of background blur. The next method for getting background blur is by using focal length. If you have a zoom lens, for example 70 to 200 or 100 to 400, use the maximum focal length available as possible to get more background blur. Imagine if your subject is 2 meters apart from you and you are using the 70mm focal length to capture the subject on the frame. Instead of that, zoom the lens all the way up to 200mm and step backward a little bit to get the subject in frame and then take the shot. If you compare both of the results, you will find that the photo you have taken at 200mm will be more separated from the background. You can use different focal length and compare the results and understand by yourself. One thing you need to keep in mind while zooming the lens is aperture. As we zoom in, the aperture will be increased. This may reduce the amount of light entering the camera. So just keep in mind that. Now on the final method. This is by adjusting the distance between the subject and the background. If the distance between subject and the background is large, we will get more background blur effect. For portrait photography, we can instruct the model to move forward or backward as like we need. But in case of wildlife photography, we cannot control the subject. In that case, we need to physically move our camera to another angle to get a blurry background. We need to move our camera to different angles to get the perfect shot. So just try out these methods and make it as a practice. Definitely you will notice some changes in your photography style. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Then give us a like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for similar contents. This is Adul and I will catch you later.